Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay.
Bro, this car gets so dirty because of this tree right here. Like, bro, I literally just watched this not too long ago. Hey, bro, welcome back into another video. If you haven't watched the last video, I'll put it down in the description or I'll put it right here. But yeah, before we get into today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram and TikTok down in the description. But today we'll be trying to get the fitment right on my Lexus. Yeah, the front fitment has always been giving me issues. I just never had a spacer for these wheels. Yeah, so I'll begin today's video, and I'll see y'all actually when I get into the Lexus dealership.
Pay cash for that bitch with no insurance. I just pay cash for that bitch with no insurance. I just pay cash for that bitch with no insurance. Give her right back, popping out a pimp. Fell out by the slut, now he say P. Codeine on the bus, no toy out the league.
Damn, bro, how much in the tools, bro?
I think there's like a grand or two.
Damn, rich. Well, yeah, we got the car at the crib now. We still missing the front lip, as y'all can see from last video. But yeah, we gonna get that ordered, and hopefully it'll be here soon. But yeah. So we gonna get the side skirts off, and you know all that, and get to work, and see y'all when we actually get into it. So like y'all know how you can adjust the stiffness of your coilovers. Well, yeah, mine are just not there on both sides. They're just completely not there. I went to go turn them down one time, and they weren't there anymore. Yeah, so now they're somewhere with the road. But yeah, there's a common issue with ISs. If y'all can see, there's bumper tab, like right here. It sits really close to the tire. Every IS has this problem, so we're gonna try to just beat the living crap out of this with a hammer or something, or try to do something with this tab, so that way we can run a spacer to get that tighter, you know what I'm saying, so we can get that good fitment right here. This is the just in case angle, and keep going and stop, just in case anything happened. Gotta get it on camera.
How to fit?
Bro, how to fitment, dog. Sheesh, that's how hard I need to be tucking, bro. So I just got rear tires, right? And now we just noticing this. Oh my God! We almost missed the flip, bro. Y'all see that right there? But yeah, we're just gonna flip these before this weekend. And yeah, hopefully we'll be good for this weekend. But yeah, that's facts. All right, we're gonna try to fit the wheel on, see what we got with how it's gonna look. Ah. 25 mil spacer on right here. So yeah. And we got the first spacer on. Try the wheels. This is going to the other side. Jeez.
Still.
Are we gonna try to turn the wheel? All right, wait, stop. All right, bro, what's a little late, bro? Yo!
The next day.
All right, bro, welcome back. We are here at day 2 of trying to perfect this fitment. And yeah, I'm gonna just, hopefully yesterday, y'all kind of see what we did. But I'm gonna explain a little bit more what we did yesterday. We had so there's this tab right here that you have to cut. I'll throw up a picture of what exactly you have to cut. But yeah, so basically we just shave this down to like this so we can fit that. And you also have to do the plastic piece that is right there too. Also, this is how it looks, like when you cut the back and all that. So you just cut that to match it. And yeah, everything should work out, and hopefully everything will work for y'all and everything should fit. But like I said, then today in day 2, we're gonna roll this little corner piece of this fender and fit the wheels on, and hopefully everything fits and goes to plan. Hopefully I am explaining this enough to you guys, because this is like the only YouTube video like even this in depth on it, even how to, you know, perfect this fitment with this, you know, bumper tab problem in the way, because there is a company that is making a bracket for this, but it's for the generation under, like the 2006 to 2013 ISs and all that. But yeah, so hopefully y'all can use this video and this helps you know, get y'all fitment right. And also, if you're on bags, I am on coilovers, as y'all can see, but on bags, this is also gets in the way of airing all the way out. So yeah, this video can help y'all too.
A few moments later.
All right, now we back into the video. Damn.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, just getting the fender right. Damn.
No, God.
Oh my God.
All right, check it.
We got the wheel on with the spacer, bro. Y'all can see, bro, a little bit of poke. Bro, that fitment though, sheesh, bro. Yeah, I like how you can see the poke though right there. Just definitely need more toe. Yeah. All right, y'all. So, bro, peep this fitment on this John. Yeah, bro, that's insane, bro. Full turn and all that, like y'all see from the hawk. Give y'all another front view. Hey, bro, welcome back. We are here at day 3. As y'all can see, the wheel is on one side. That John looked pretty tough, but yeah, we're back into this, and but yeah, we have a solution to fix this part now. So that's what today's gonna be about. And hopefully yesterday or the last day, I explained what to do kind of good enough, but it's kind of self-explanatory, really. Not really hard to do, really, but you just gotta cut and make sure everything fits, and maybe roll the fender a little bit. But yeah, that's really it. So catch you when we actually get to work. Alright, we was debating on showing y'all the Nick shit we just did, but yeah. Oh my God. But nah, bro, it literally went perfect according to plan, bro. You see, lined up pretty much perfect. We just have to, you know, bang out this corner just ever so slightly. But yeah, bro, that's exactly what we was talking about. Fits perfect, like right there, bro. So yeah, just gonna put the wheel on eventually, and yeah, so a quick suspension flex, you know what I'm saying? Got the Swift springs with the Part Shop Max uppers. Yeah, sir. Hey bro, so I ordered you know, like those bumper tap things that go on like every car, and this is how, like, bro, look how small this came in, right? And look how much bigger that is. Like, hold on. Pause. No diddy. But yeah, you see how much bigger that, like, bro, that was not gonna be able to push this out. So yeah, so everything is going to plan. We're just fitting you know, the wheels on it here and dropping on the floor, and yeah, showing y'all the fitment and our creation. All right, y'all, so we got the tire on, bro. Look at the fitment though. Sheesh. Exactly how we imagined it to go. And the fitment is on point, bruh. I'm gonna check this turn radius. All right, keep going. Yeah, keep going, yeah. Yeah, keep going. You're all good on this side. Sheesh, bruh. Look at that. That is insane. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, so as y'all can see, we pretty much have a full lock. Like, pretty much. Obviously, I'm not gonna, you know, go fast on turns or really anything like that. But yeah, bro, as y'all can see, the fitment is like, let me go on this side, more light. Sorry about the lighting. This is our kind of only source of light. But yeah, as y'all can see, bro, that fitment though, this is just temporary until I get new wheels and all that. But yeah, this is kind of the temporary setup and how the car is gonna sit for right now until I get the, you know, we still have to get the lower extension arms, you know, to push out the bottom and get some more camber. But yeah.
A few moments later.
Hey, bro, we just before we end this video, we're gonna make it to this gas station for a little bit better lighting to show y'all the reveal. So here y'all go. This is the I'm not even gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with the results, and hopefully I explained this enough to y'all, because you know it's a pretty easy task, but you know it takes a little bit. You know, we're on day 3 of this, but yeah, bro, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all that. I'll put that all in the description, and make sure you follow all these people, you know, all my friends that helped me out. You know, big thanks to them, because you know I don't work on my own car, they work on it for me, so this is all credit to them. And yeah, I'll put all their links, all that, to their Instagrams, in the description below and all that. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll end it off with the edit.